to Henry's Show. I'm your friend Henry and welcome back to Henry's Show. Now let's continue workbook. Episode 10. Smart Phonics 1. Review 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 12 letters. A to L. Match and write. First, number 1. This is an apple. That means you have to trace what? Apple starts with A. And there we have another word that starts with A sound. Ant. Yes. After you trace it, you have to write capital A and lowercase a. Easy peasy, right? This is a cap. Cap starts with C sound. We have another word that starts with C. Where do you think it is? Do you think it is there? If you think it is there, you're wrong. It is there. Cat, duck. Number 3, they already did it. Bat, B. Number 4, this is a desk. Yes, that's easy. No. That's no wisest answer. I told you many times. D sound, so you have to do like that. If you still think it is easy, you're wrong. I should review again. If you did that in another question, like there's only one left and just trace it as easy peasy, that means in a test, if you're really hard, I want you to watch Unit 1 again. It's Smart Phonics 1. A, B, C. Start watching again and listen more well. Or I give some tips about good at doing English. Phonics, yes. I mean phonics. Number 5. This is a gorilla. He's funny and friendly. Now, we have another word starts with D. Gorilla starts with D sound. What do you think? Hippo, girl, fan, elbow. Do you think it's there? No. It's there. How could we write G? Capital G, lowercase g. Number 6. This is an egg. It looks delicious. I think we have baby on it. We cannot eat this egg. Number 6. What do you think? We already did this, so it is not the answer. Do you think it's this? No. Do you think it's this? No. Do you think it's this? Yes. Elbow, egg. It both starts with E. Number 7. This is a hand. Does hippo starts with H? Yes, hand starts with H and hippo starts with H. Number 8, fork. Fork. Fork starts with F sound, right? I'm correct. F sound. Fan starts with F sound. Number 1 is I. I word. Where is the I word? What is the word begins with I? There. Number 2. Where is the word begins with J? There. Jacket. Number 3. Where is the word that begins with K? There. Number 4. L. What is the word that begins with L? There. Great. Circle the correct beginning letters. Cat starts with C, so we need to circle C. Fish starts with F, so we need to circle F. What alligator begins with? Alligator begins with A sound. Ah. Number 4. This is a hat. What do hat begins with? Hat begins with H. Number 5. What do dog begins with? This is a dog. What dog begins with B or D? Dog. D. Do you think it's B? No, that's not correct. Number 6. This is a book. What book starts with? Book starts with B. Sometimes it's capitalized, sometimes it's lowercase. We don't need to worry about this. But you need to know. In B, we have 2 capital and lowercase. In any letter, we have 2 capital and lowercase. If you only know that, it's easy for you. Encircle the correct beginning letters. Number 7, I or D. This is a game. What do game begins with? Game begins with D. Number 8, this is an elephant. What do elephant begins with? Elephant begins with E. Now wait, this is an egg. What do egg starts with? Egg starts with E, so they already wrote E. Number 2, this is a hippo. What do hippo starts with? Yes, hippo starts with H. 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 Number 3, this is a desk. What do desk begins with? Desk begins with D. 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 Number 4, this is a jet. What do jet begins with? Jet begins with J. J sound, so you have to write J. Number 5, what do you think it is? This is a lamp. What do lamp begins with? Lamp begins with L. Number 6, this is an ant. What do ant begins with? Ant begins with A sound. Number 7, a girl. What do girl begins with? G. D. D. Number 8, this is a key. What do key begins with? Key begins with K. Number 9, this is a fork. What do fork begins with? Fork begins with F. Number 10, this is a king. What do king begins with? King begins with K. K sound. Now, number 11. Iguana. This is an iguana. So it starts with I sound. Number 12. This is a bed. What do bed begins with? B sound. A. Duck. A. Alligator. What do you think? Alligator. B. Bed. B. Apple. Bed. C. Cat. No. C. Cap. C. Elbow. Cap. D. Fan. D. Dog. Dog. E. Elephant. E. Book. Elephant. F. Fish. F. Cup. Fish. G. Gorilla. Good. H. Hand. I think everybody knows this. If you're not good at phonics, I think everybody will know this. And G, number 1, is a game. Game starts with G, so we need to write number 1 there. We have another word that starts with G. What do you think? It's gorilla, so we need to check it that we know. So, write 4. Number 2, H. Let's find the word that begins with the H. Hippo. We found 1. That's number 3. Hippo is number 3, so we have to write 3. We mark it that we know it is not the answer in another number. Like example, if we don't check this, unless I did number 3 and I don't realize it, then just got it. And I know hat starts with H, so we can write this, but oh yes, hippo begins with H sound. I think you would think same ideas if you forget this. So we have to check it. We have to check hat. Number 3, I. Where's the word that I begins with? Where's the word that begins with I? Ink. Great. Number 2, igloo. Great. 12. Number 4, where is the word that begins with J? Let's see. Jam. Great. And one more. Jacket. Great. Great. Number 5, K. Where is the word that starts with K? Up there. Kangaroo. Kangaroo bounces really high. Kangaroo can do that. There's another word that starts with K. Another picture, I mean. Key. Great. Number 9. Number 6. L. Lamb and lemon. They both starts with L. I said they both, not they boast, okay? Boast means to tease. S, meaning like teasing. I'm not boasting to you, okay? Now next time, we're going to learn episode 12, workbook unit 5. In episode 11, we're learning student book unit 5. But in episode 12, we learn workbook unit 5. Now, it is time to say goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye!